Click on the link below to get price. The Southwire 6606GUSF-254 Spider Box is a versatile electrical distribution system designed for various applications, particularly in construction and temporary power settings. As a portable power solution, this device offers a range of features tailored to meet the demands of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This Spider Box is built to handle a significant input capacity of 200 amperes at 120/208 volts. This makes it suitable for powering multiple tools and equipment simultaneously, which is often needed on construction sites or during large events. The unit is equipped with 458 cam-type outputs, allowing for efficient distribution of power to various devices. This configuration facilitates a straightforward setup, giving users the flexibility to connect several tools without the concern of overloading the system. One notable aspect of the Southwire Spider Box is its robust construction. Built to endure the rigors of outdoor use, it is designed to be both durable and weather-resistant. This feature is particularly important for those working in environments where exposure to the elements is a common concern. Additionally, the compact and portable design allows for easy transportation from one location to another, making it a practical choice for contractors and event coordinators alike. Using the Spider Box is relatively straightforward. Users simply connect the unit to a suitable power source and can immediately start utilizing the multiple outputs for their equipment. The cam-type connections ensure a secure fit, minimizing the risk of disconnection during operation. This user-friendly feature is particularly beneficial for those who may not be particularly experienced with electrical setups. In summary, the Southwire 6606GUSF-254 Spider Box serves as a reliable power distribution system, featuring a 200A input capacity and multiple 50A outputs. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make it an appealing option for various applications, particularly in construction and outdoor settings. The combination of power capacity and ease of use positions it as a practical tool for those in need of efficient power management. Overall, the Spider Box stands out as a competent choice for providing temporary power solutions, catering to a range of user requirements.